Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Sami here. Today we are going to take a look at the Poco X4 GT and Poco F4. You might wonder, ooh, what the fuck are you doing? There's already a shit ton of videos out there. Why would you want to do a video now? Alright, first of all, I was fucked up by Poco. First, they sent me the NDA, non-disclosure agreement. They said, oh, Sami, please send this. We're gonna send you the unit. We're sending you the new phone, blah, 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 blah. And I was super excited. Oh, sure, why not? But later, they didn't. So I was totally fucked up by them. Then later, thanks to my longtime friend Sami for lending me these two phones, all right? So I'm not obliged to say good things about the phones. I will be totally objective. You know, my first impression, my buying suggestions, and also I took the phones to, to some places to shoot some videos, to test them out. So this video should be helpful to you. Yeah. All right, you open, you get some paperwork. I've noticed one thing for the Poco F4, they came with a 3.5mm headphone jack to the Type-C because it doesn't have that technologically advanced 3.5mm headphone jack. So they offer you this, but it's better than nothing. Also, they have the phone case. And then about the highlights. For the Poco X4 GT, the chipset is Dimensity 8100 and it supports 144Hz dynamic switch dot display and 67 watts turbocharging and 64 megapixel triple camera. Well, for the Poco F4, you have the Snapdragon 870, 120Hz, 6.67-inch AMOLED display, a 64 megapixel OIS main camera, and 67 watts turbocharging. So from the specs, seems there's not much big difference, but the price is a little bit different. I will just list on the screen. All right, moving on, we have the same 67 watts fast charging and Type-C cable. Nothing too much to say. Now, moving to the phone. Moving to the phone, first, let's check out the design. For the X4 GT, it has this matte finish. And for the F4, it has this glossy glass finish. To be honest, I prefer this matte finish. It's not easy to get fingerprints, smudges. But for the glass one, it feels smoother, but see? Yeah. But anyway, you will use a phone case anyway at the end. So that's the back design. For the Poco X4 GT is kind of like Mi 12 design layout, right? With this camera module. Well, for the F4, it's like this. It's like a Redmi Note series or something. All right, so that's the back. Now moving to the top. Obviously, for X4 GT, we have the headphone jack, speaker, infrared blaster, and noise mic. And the same volume rocker and the power key. That's also the fingerprint scanner on the right side. The same, right? Not so much big difference. All right, moving to the bottom, we have the same design layout, speaker, Type-C, and the SIM card slot. Obviously, dual SIM card, dual standby, no SD card expansion. Should be exactly the same for the Poco F4. Move to the left side, nothing there. Okay, that's the design. On the front, for the X4 GT, I can notice the selfie is much larger than the F4. And for the bezels, I guess, yeah, the F4 has narrow bezels. To be honest, the F4 has brighter screen. That is to let me adjust to the highest brightness. F4 has brighter screen, which is better to view in direct sunlight and also has a better viewing experience. Let's check about the phone. So the one we got, both are 128 gigs. And MIA version is 13.0.1. Here the Antutu benchmark, if you are interested to know. The X4 GT Sims wins a lot. Also from my experience, they got better thermal control. Here are some other specs I didn't mention before. You can check them out. Now, the sound test.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
Finally, the camera test. For photos, I didn't see a huge difference between the two. All recorded in 4K 30 fps. But I can see from the right, it's more vivid and brighter. Well, for videos, for sure, whether they shoot in 4K or 1080p, the Poco F4 has a much better stabilization. But interestingly though, I found the Poco F4 performs better for day videos, but for short and night videos. To conclude, both are extremely budget-friendly 5G phones. For me, I prefer the Poco X4 GT more for its matte finish, 3.5mm headphone jack, better overall performance like battery life, thermal control, eraser, and of course, the price. If you are interested in these two phones, you can find out them in the description. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.